Welcome to ClearTask. Sharing your screen in Microsoft Teams is one of the most useful things you can do during a meeting, and it only takes a few seconds. In this quick video, I'll walk you through it step by step. Once you're in a Teams meeting, look at the toolbar running along the top of your screen. On the right side, you'll spot a button labeled Share. It has an upward arrow icon. Go ahead and click it. A panel called Share Content will pop up. At the top, you'll see a presenter mode section with a few layout options and an include sound toggle on the right. If you're going to play a video or audio during your presentation, make sure to switch that on before you start sharing. Below that, you'll see two main options: Screen and Window. Click Screen to share your entire desktop. Sharing starts right away automatically. Or click Window to pick a specific app or browser tab to share, keeping everything else on your screen private. And again, it starts immediately the moment you select it. When you're done, click the Share button again in the toolbar at the top. It'll be highlighted while you're sharing. Click it and sharing stops instantly. And just like that, you're back to the normal meeting view. That's all there is to it. Screen sharing in Teams is quick and easy once you know where to look. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward how-tos. See you in the next one.